wood ear mushroom?
No.
So this one we call wood ear mushroom. And look, in Thai we call head hu nu. Head is mushroom. Hu is the ear. Nu is like a Mickey Mouse.
Oh, it
Right? Yeah, you see
Oh my
that?
gosh,
I wonder,
it feels like it.
does it get very chewy when it's cooked?
Like
or?
a crunchy, not chewy.
Oh,
More
okay.
like a eating jelly actually.
Really?
Yes. Today we're gonna add in our spring roll. It's so
Okay.
nice.
Okay,
Yeah.
great.
And this king oyster, mushroom, And this is the one that we use for coconut milk soup today. I love this one.
That's pretty.
Oyster mushroom.
Oyster
That's
mushrooms,
right,
yeah.
This one we call straw mushroom.
I've never seen this one.
Yeah, I've never
No,
seen
it's very delicate. It grows only in the country that are hot and humid.
Yeah,
It needs a lot of humid for them to become a mushroom.
gotcha.
And then this one, it looks like an egg. So when you cut it, you will see like a shape of this mushroom inside.
Oh, wow.
Really?
Like that, yeah.
Oh, like it grew inside.
Yeah,
the
go
little-
inside. But if the farmer let it grow, like not cut it before, it will pop. It looks similar to it, but more like round, pretty close to this, but white all
Interesting.
color. Yeah, yeah. So there's an enoki, right?
Yeah.
So when you want to make your soup like coconut milk soup at home, you don't have this one, you don't have that one. You can either use this one, but this take in hot water take like 5-10 seconds.
Right.
Or you can use